Hey you guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to add overlays and thumbnails or any type of image or picture that you would like to add to your OBS stream. So I already have my OBS pulled up here, and when you are wanting to add it to let's just say your stream, this one right here is my stream, so you'll want to click it under the scenes, and then you will head over to sources after you click it over here. Um, After that, you'll click add source once you're in that, and then it will be under images. Now, I already have some overlays as you can see, so I have to change the name to like overlay 3 or just something else other than overlay or overlay 1 or overlay 2. So I'm just going to do overlay 3 to show you guys how to do it. You'll just click OK, and then you'll go into browse. Now my overlays are always under this PC and then under documents. You'll just click whichever overlay you want, and then it'll pop up like this here, and I always just press OK. And then here it is. It's like on my screen. You can move it around, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. This is the same thing for like if you want to add like a certain like if you're playing 5MRP, if you want to add in a certain city's logo. Like I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in because I'm in last story. So I gotta find it. It's probably under downloads. Yes, last story like this. So it'll pop up just like this as well. And you'll just click OK, and then you can make it smaller, bigger, move it around your screen. Alright, that was your quick tutorial for today, and stay tuned to my channel because I will be dropping more tutorials on a bunch of other things. Alright, goodbye y'all.